Today I'm making creamed mushrooms and I'm going to serve them on toast. I've got 6 ounces of mushrooms which I've cleaned and coarsely chopped, not too small. A cup of milk, which is about 250 ml, an ounce of butter, an ounce of plain flour, salt and pepper, a good tablespoonful of parsley, half a lemon for squeezing, and some double cream to finish off. So I'm melting the butter in the saucepan. Add in the mushrooms, give them a good old stir. The butter will disappear, but don't be tempted to add more because there's enough there. Once the mushrooms start to cook and the juices start to flow, you'll find that the butter comes back. As you can see now, there's plenty of liquid in there to cook the flour in, so we sprinkle the flour. At this point we want some salt and pepper. Stir in the flour, lower the light a bit because we want that flour to cook. We don't want it to taste floury, it's just like making a sauce. The flour needs to cook for about, I would say at least half a minute. It will stick a bit, but that doesn't matter. Once you get the milk in, it'll come back off. So I'm going to throw in the milk now. We're going to keep stirring now till the mushrooms come to a simmer and the sauce thickens. As you can see, the sauce has thickened now, so I'm just going to simmer for about 30 seconds before finishing off. So the mushrooms are finished now. Now there's 2 or 3 things that go beautifully with mushrooms. One of them is parsley. Another one is lemon juice. Keep the pips out if you can. Give it a stir. And last but not least, double cream. Now if you use a little less milk, this makes a thick mixture that you can use to fill vol au vents. If you add a pint of stock to this, it makes the best ever mushroom soup. So as you can see, it's versatile. So there you go, creamed mushrooms on toast. Can't wait to tuck into this. See you later. Bye.